let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. The primary purpose of the AMT system is to do what? Is it A, to provide additional deduction for taxpayer for high income? First of all, it's a tax, it's not a deduction. I will take out A immediately, even if I don't know anything about what's AMT tax. Ensure that taxpayer who claims significant deduction and preferences pay at least the minimum level of tax. I would say between A and B. I'm definitely keeping B, but I'm not sure if it's the right answer or not. Let's look at C. Replace the regular income tax for high income taxpayer. No, AMT does not replace the regular income tax. AMT is a parallel tax, and if that parallel tax is more than the regular, then you pay it. Therefore, C is not. It doesn't replace the regular tax. C is out. Reduce the tax burden on individual with large capital gains. No. Although it says minimum, like you think you're paying less, no, you might have to pay more. It doesn't reduce the tax burden. And what AMT does is ensure that taxpayer who claims significant deduction, if you have a lot of deductions, like tax deduction or certain tax preferences, we would look at those later on. What's going to happen is this: the government would say, look, you have too many deduction, too many preferences, and that's giving you an advantageous position from a tax bill perspective over other taxpayers. We are going to take or reduce those deduction and preferences and recompute your taxes. And when we do so, if your tax bill is higher, you will pay the higher tax bill, and this is why it's called alternative minimum tax. Now, if you're using Farhat lectures to answer this question, you could always ask AI to explain the topic, AMT topic, if you would like to, or explain the correct and incorrect answer, or create a similar MCQ or another MCQ about alternative minimum tax. Whether you are an accounting student, CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, don't shortchange yourself. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and we are going to have a series of recording about AMT to understand AMT from A to Z, whether you are a student or studying for a professional certification. Invest in yourself.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.